Hi, I'm Ms Hearn. Let's get started. In this video, we're going to use properties of summation and summation formulas to evaluate a sum written in sigma notation. A quick Google of summation formulas will show you these formulas among many others. But these are the ones that we're going to use. Before we can do that, we need to have summations that fit these patterns. The sum I equals 1 to n of I squared, for example. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to just distribute this expression. So I'm going to have the sum I equals 1 to 24 of I times foiling out I minus 1 times I minus 1 will give us I squared minus 2I plus 1. Then we're going to distribute that first I. So we have the sum I equals 1 to 24 of I cubed minus 2I squared plus I. Now you don't have to write this step, but it's important to realize that whenever we have a sum or difference in the argument of a summation, we can just separate it into several summations. So I equals 1 to 24 of I cubed minus, now we can take the sum of 2I squared, but in fact we can factor that 2 out of each term as well. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So we have minus 2 times the sum I equals 1 to 24 of I squared plus the sum I equals 1 to 24 of I. And this is what we're going to apply the formulas to, because we have a formula. We have a formula for I cubed, we have a formula for I squared, and we have a formula for I. When you're going to apply these formulas, make sure they fit exactly. You'll notice the formulas start with I equals 1, and we have I equals 1 in each of our sums. However, that's not always the case, and you might need to compensate slightly. Since we have an exact match, we can go ahead and replace the sum I equals 1 to 24 of I cubed with what that is equal to. In this case, n is going to be 24, so we have 24 squared times 24 plus 1 squared over 4. Then we have minus 2 times, and we can replace the sum I equals 1 to 24 of I squared with what it's equal to. And again, n is 24, so we have 24 times 24 plus 1 times 2 times 24 plus 1 all over 6. And then we can replace the sum I equals 1 to 24 of I with what it's equal to, which is 24 times 24 plus 1 over 2. And then we just have some simplifying to do. So using the calculator, we have 24 squared times 25 squared over 4. That's going to come out to 90,000 minus 2 times 24 times 25 times 49 over 6 comes out to 4,900 plus 24 times 25 over 2 comes out to 300. So we have a total of 80,500. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please remember to like it. It helps other students to find the video.